Hello, I'm William here with Motorsports Lane RVs. I'm going to be giving you a walk around on the Crossroads Volante 270 bunkhouse. This has been a real popular plan for folks that just don't want a, 35, 40 foot long bunk plan. It's nice and small, only weighs about 7,600 pounds. So technically speaking, some of these newer half tons that are out there, are ready to tow this. That helps open the options up for folks with just a half ton, not a 3/4 ton diesel or whatever. We're going to do a walk around on the outside first, then we'll go inside and show you the inside of the trailer. We'll start right here. Love these, the grab handle. It goes right out of the way there for you. Really nice to have when you're coming out of the trailer at night and you don't have to try to find the little handle that some trailers have right here. So you can grab that. It's good and solid, help you get down the steps. Nice wide door. You can see the power awning up here with the nice LED lights running along there. I love the fact that these LED lights are along the base of the trailer, not on the awning arm itself. That way, if it's windy at night, you put the awning in, you can still have the lights on. The other way some of the trailers do is they put the LED light in the actual rolling up arm, and when it's rolled up, you don't have your lights. So nice feature there. Here's some of the storage you have on this. No small compartment here, put a toolbox back in there or something. Got a nice bright LED light there. All this area in the front of the RV for storage also. Moving around up front, you've got a real nice fiberglass front cap to this. This is not a laminated front wall, it's a hollow fiberglass cap, so that you can't have any delamination going on behind this. The way some of the fifth wheels are done, you're going to have a laminated front wall to that, a skin of fiberglass essentially, and if you get moisture in there, then that can delaminate over time. You don't want that. Another nice thing they do with this is the seam to the front cap is not right up on the front edge. That's a bad place for a seam to be, because when you're driving through a thunderstorm at 60, 65 miles an hour, it's like a pressure washer going into that seam there. So with this, the water slams into the front of the cap and then just drizzles around the edge by the time it gets to the seam. So it does a real good job of keeping the water from getting in there. Got the cool LED lights on the front here. They're neat looking, but they're also functional, that they will shine light down into the pickup bed when you're backing up to hook into the fifth wheel and it's dark out, so you can kind of see what's going on back there. So that's a real nice feature to have there. More entry to the storage there, and then on the side here you have the two 7.5 gallon propane tanks, also known as 30-pound propane tanks. I like that they're both right next to each other, so when you go to fill them up, you don't have one on each side. You pull your RV up and you're just right there with having them both there, easy to get to. More of the storage there. Got your 30 amp power cord here. That stows away inside there. Nice big slide out. We'll see this from inside, but that's getting you your U-shaped dinette and also your couch. You've got the tinted windows. I'll tell you what, I thought pretty much all trailers had tinted windows anymore, but we took a trailer in on trade the other day and it did not have tinted windows. So, not every trailer has that. That's nice to keep the temperatures a little cooler inside the trailer, and also just from a privacy factor. Here's your outside shower, hot and cold water, pretty straightforward there. You do have the black tank flush on this trailer, which is right here. You plug a garden hose into that after you're done draining your black tank, and that will send water to the shower heads that are built into the black tank to get it nice and clean. You got the fiberglass siding on this. One of the real nice things with that is you do have the aluminum framing to this also, which helps keep the weight down. It's a nice strong way to go. On the back side here, got your easy access to the spare tire. A lot of times on fifth wheels, these spare tires are put back in underneath the trailer somewhere, and they're kind of a pain to get to. So this is about as easy as it gets. You can see you got a hitch right here, 2-inch receiver welded onto the I-beams of the trailer. Great for putting a bike rack on there, or a rack maybe for generator, firewood, things like that. You got the ladder. It's prepped with the backup camera. So that's right below the 3 red marker lights there. So it's already wired in, very easy to add a backup camera if you want. You've got the arch ceiling to this, so not a flat roof. Coming around the side here, this plan has the outside kitchen set up. So you've got the 2-burner stove, hot and cold water for the sink, and then you have a, it's taped up right now, but you've got about a 2 cubic foot refrigerator there too. The hot water heater, you've got 15-inch tire or wheels on this, not 14-inch, so it's going to help get you a heavier duty tire and much less likely to have any issues there. The axles on this are easy lube, so you just pop off this little cap here and you've got the Zerk fitting back in behind there. You don't have to pack the bearings on this every few years. All you do is a few squirts of grease with a grease gun onto that Zerk fitting, and that hits the back bearing first, then comes to the forward bearing, so it keeps it nice and simple there. Okay, with that, we'll head inside and take a look at that. So real nice inside here. I'm going to try to point out the things that are maybe a little more unique to this trailer versus a lot of the competition out there. First, the sink and countertop area. You've got solid surface countertop. You can see here how the color runs right through the countertop. So if you get scratches in this type of countertop, there's products you can get to buff that out and get it looking brand new again, as opposed to your more of your laminate countertops. They just have a thin veneer on the top, and once you mess that up, there's no, it's going to be like that for the rest of your ownership of the trailer. You've got a double bowl stainless steel sink. That makes it much easier to keep clean. Pull down faucet, which is nice. You've got obviously the 3-burner stove and oven, stainless steel faces to these, 8 cubic foot refrigerator. So it's basically the biggest single door fridge you're going to find out there, as opposed to the 6 cubic foot. A separate freezer there, obviously. U-shaped dinette here makes into a nice big bed. You can sleep 2 adults there. This couch has the trifold sofa to it. So this pulls on out into a full-length bed that you can sleep another 2 adults in, or bigger kids. I love these wood blinds here. They just hold up a lot better than the pleated cloth blinds. The pleated cloth blinds can kind of lose their crease, and then they don't go up and down as well. Just a real nice setup there. And that's pretty much around the whole trailer, not by the sink, because for fire hazard and that being close to the stove, you want to have the aluminum blinds there. So back here, you've got 2 big bunks, 300-pound maximum weight capacity on these, so that's nice. They're putting some good beef into that so that so you don't have that falling apart. Digital thermostat, that's a great thing to have. As silly as it may sound, you just put it to the exact temperature you want, and there you go. If it's 68, 69 degrees, as opposed to the analog thermostats where you're working with a dial and you're just kind of guessing at what temperature you set it at. Huge pantry here. Plenty of storage space there. And nice cabinets, you know, it's got the raised wood on there. The bathroom, pretty straightforward. You've got porcelain toilet base there, as opposed to the plastic. The porcelain stays clean better, it's stronger, and just all around a better setup than the plastic toilets. And these right here, got nice drawers on each side. I like the fact that you can actually take these out real easy, and you can take them in the house and load them up with things that you're going to be taking in the trailer. Almost use it like a little, container to get your things to and from the house, and then it's all stowed away in there. Okay, so moving on forward, you've got a spot here to put a pretty big TV if you want. We hold back sometimes in getting the TVs if the manufacturer wants to charge $500-600 for a TV. If somebody wants a TV, we can go get a TV at any of the big box stores for $130 or something. It is designed to play the DVD to the TV with those cords there coming through the radio. Nice cabinetry up through here. Open some of this up for you. So not real deep storage, but still, you're just looking for as many places as you can to put the different things you're going to take camping with you, right? Up front to the bedroom, you've got a solid door here to close things off, so that's nice. Not a curtain door. Great little spot here to put a TV if you want in the bedroom. You've got all the hookups over here. A closet there, then the closets on either side of the bed. All these drawers here, which is nice. And then you have the classic storage underneath the bed, which I'll show you real quick. There you go. Alrighty, LED lights everywhere. I think that's about it. So appreciate your time. And if you have further interest, you want to come down and take a look at one of the Crossroads Volante 270BHs, come on down to Motorsports Land. Again, I'm William, and thank you for your time.